Here's the file room, and here is the problem we're solving. We're adding 2 scanning systems in this Honda store here in Anaheim, California. And yeah, we're gonna get rid of this issue that makes it very difficult to work with, and it takes time, money, and lots of space. As you can see, it's a big old room with all these repair orders. Try to find a repair order in this labyrinth. I am here at the dealership in the cashier's office, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to scan a repair order with our scanning system. You load up the scanning application, click on repair orders, load up the repair order on the scanner, click on scan repair order. It's going to scan 70 pages a minute, front and back, and we're going to use the barcode that's printed on the RO to gather the RO number, and that's what shows up on your computer. Now the document is saved as a PDF. Now you can go to any dealership computer like this one, load up the repair order application, type in the repair order number 488482. There's the contents, click on the scan date, and now you're going to be able to see all the information that was just scanned. It is this easy. This is how we help in our dealers.